get together as one race, the human race, one race. By the time we grow up and start experiencing things, we realize people are not just the color of skin, but what their hearts and soul looks like from within. For some, hatred was taught from very young. It was planted like a seed, water enough to breathe in the sun. Like the locusts on the African continent that had been buried for over 20 years. It just needed the right environment to grow big and fat, to terrorize crops in the fields and humans in the air. Thus, racism is the strange fruit that hatred in society bears. You can smell this strange fruit for miles, water swelling in your eyes as hatred draws the noose on the neck of its victims' lives. Now, instead of hatred swinging us from a tree, hatred now kills us with its knees. Is it so hard to understand that the hatred was not born into the black man? It was taught by our colonizers when we were stolen from our motherland. Hatred is like a disease. Once you're infected, it spreads like COVID-19. Why must black humans still succumb to a systematic system of racism? As Rodney King said in court decades ago, why can't we all just get along? I wish it was that simple good news to spread, but every time we get a prophet, hatred shoots them in their head. I could see hatred wants to take the lead on how humanity should proceed. But I'm telling you, black people on earth, don't be fooled by that jerk. Let's show hatred we can lead with love, honor, trust, and peace. Make this world a better place, where all God's humans can be one race. One race. Say it with me, y'all. One race.
One race.
One race, the human race. One race.
One race, the human race.
One race, the human race. One race.
One race, the human race.
One race. One race, the human race. One race. One race, the human race. One race.
One race,
The human race, one race, one race. The human race, one race, one race. The human race, one race, one race. The human race, one race. Yeah! All right.